Hello, boys and girls. We just have to talk about the ack, ick, and ack word families because they're everywhere in our stories this week. So let's look at these word families. Okay, ack, ick, and ack. So even though they have 3 letters, they only make 2 sounds because the C and the K come together to make one sound. Do you remember what that sound is? K. So this is ack, ick, and ack. So let's go ahead and read some words in those families. Here we have sock. Looks the same at the end of the word, but the beginning sound, it says s. Lock, rock. Okay, let's do some for the ick family, okay? So ick, okay? This says sick. Hey, that almost looks like this one. This is sock, awk, sock, but this one's sick because the vowel is different. How about this one? Can you read that? Ick, lick. Hey, that one's almost like this one. But it has an I and this one has an O, so that's why that says lock and that says lick. Okay, let's do some in the ack family. Ack, and this one says ack, sack. And this one says lack, black. The only thing that changed, like look at the word lack. The only thing that changed, here's lack, here's lick, here's lock. The only thing that has changed is the vowel sounds in the middle. They're each in a different word family because of the vowel sound. Lock, lick, lack. Same up here. Sock, sick, sack. And in your stories, you don't get tricked. You don't get lazy. You look at each letter and say the sound to that letter. And then you'll always get them right. Okay, here's another one in the ack family. This says rack, rack, rack. Like put the food up on the rack. Okay, and this says rock. See, I'm not lazy. I sounded it out and I got that word right. Rock. I didn't say rack. That one says rack. All right, let's go ahead and put the rest of them on here. What would, let's see. We'll do this one. What does this one say? Oh my goodness. That starts with a consonant blend. So blend it with me. Bull, black, black. That says black. What does this one say? Oh, you can barely see it. Let's go like this. Ack, pack, pack. All right, let's do some ick words, some more ick words. This one says ick, ick, kick, kick. Ooh, is that another blend? It has 2 letters before the ick word family. Cl, cl, click, 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 click. That's like a sound word from maybe an old-fashioned camera makes that sound when you're taking pictures. Okay, and then one more. What? This begins with 2 letters also. Do you remember what the QU says? If you said qua, you were listening in our lessons before. Qua, ick, quick. Okay, finally, I like this word family because it has our two spelling challenge words, and here's one of them. Ooh, another blend. Let's sound it out. Cl, cl, clock, clock. That's one of your challenge words for spelling on Friday. Clock. And here is your last, oh, let me see, your last challenge word, excuse me, this one right here. And oh boy, it's another blend. Let's sound it out at the beginning. B, l, b, l, bl, block, block, block. So let's just read all of them. They're all rhyming words because they're all in the same word family. So here's awk, sock, lock, rock, clock, block. Okay, read these with me. Blend these with me. This is the ick word family. Sick, lick, kick, click, quick. Sick, lick, kick, click, quick. And finally, let's read these. These are a little bit not super straight. And that's okay. Ack. This is the ack word family. 3 letters, but it just makes 2 sounds because the CK comes together to make one sound k, ack. So let's read them. Ack, sack, lack, rack, black, pack. So this week, when you see words that end with any of these word families, you can do it. You can blend them. And that's it for this lesson. Toodaloo.